Hello! Today, quick one. We're making this. The ultimate one-pan meal because it's served in the pan. Got eggs, beans, ham, cheese. So good. Yeah. Now if you like what you see coming up, please hit that subscribe, hit the like. Let's do us all a favour. Thank you very much. Now I've got my lunch to eat. Okay, lovely people, quick one. This is going to be lunch. Frozen corn, small tin of baked beans, gas on. I'm just going to add a couple of things to this. Bit of ham, fry an egg, dinner. Bit of a stir, stir. First thing in, bit of paprika. All the delicacy of the world, as you can see. I've not even chopped that up because I can do it in the pan. Alright. Clear of space. That'll cook. A couple of minutes from now, dinner done. Right, we've been going for about a minute now. Straight from the packet, grated cheese. Can't beat it. I'm just going to put a lid on top of this, which is basically the plate, and we're done. There we have it. Eggs just nice and soft, the beans are beautifully cooked. Bread and butter to clean the plate. Who even needs a plate? Just serve it straight in the pan. Yum.